This is a bit of an advertising site, but you can really see what they're producing here. Enhances qualities of patient experiences, increases operational efficiency, and improves financial impact. So there's modeling on the back end in terms of codes, which codes to send out in terms of patient care. And again, like all things, this transition has good and bad sides, but it does increase probably increase accuracy and also increase efficiency and capacity. Um, so that's where this is going, and you can see all these different use cases that would be aided. Coaching doctors about how to write clinical notes. Again, a bit of a hard sell, right? But that's actually happening. Generating referral level letters, summarizing encounters. So again, this is important, customizable documentation,